guys, welcome back to this video. In case you're new here, my name is Kendi and today we're going to make some pilau, and I'll be using grounded spices or grounded pilau masala. So let's get into the video, and I hope you're going to like, share and subscribe. So for the ingredients, this is what you need. That is beef, boiled beef. I'll insert a clip when I was boiling the beef. And then we have onions, a lot of onions. Personally, I've used 2 onions. And then we have some tomato paste. And then we also have rice. I've not yet washed the rice, but I'll be doing that in a few. And then spices, that is pilau masala, and I've added salt. And then this is crushed garlic and ginger, and that is the beef broth or the soup. To the ingredients, we'll include some cooking oil and water. And for the rice, this is how I measure the water. Use the ratio 1:2. For every 1 cup of rice, you use 2 cups of water. So I'll begin by boiling the meat, and until it's tender. Add some bay leaves, some salt. So I'm going to let this boil until the meat is tender. So this is the same pot that I was using to boil the beef, and I've already heated some. I have my oil there, and as you can see, it's ready. So I'm going to add the onions. So I'm going to cook the onions until they turn brown. Since we're not going to use any soy sauce, and you want your pilau if you want your pilau to have that brown color, ensure that you cook the onions until they are almost burnt or dark brown. So we're going to let that cook, and then we move to the next step. As you can see, the onions are ready. So what I'm going to do is add ginger and garlic. And then I'll go ahead and add the boiled beef. And then remember, we have some beef broth or soup. I'm going to add that now. And follow that with tomato paste. Then you're going to stir and let it cook for a while before we go ahead and add pilau masala and salt. So let's stir this first. After stirring, this is what we have. So it is at this point I'm going to add the pilau masala and salt. And stir. And then we stir and cover so that we can let this cook, everything cook. So at this point, I'm going to add rice that I've already washed. It's already clean. So I'll stir it. And, add water. The measurement one is 2. Every glass of rice, I add 2 cups of glasses of water. And then I'm also going to reduce the heat after adding water and cover it. So let's do that. So I'm going to cover and then cook on low heat. So I'm going to cover it with a foil paper. If you don't have a foil paper, you can use the cooking pot lids. It's still okay. And we'll let that sit for around 5 minutes before we mix everything. So don't mix at this point, just cover it.